Got it.
Yes, there are 4 lifelines. That -2 1 is like 50-50. I will show you the game, then you will get to know. Then expert advice, then audience poll, and then fourth one is fourth one concept. Flip the question. Okay, everyone will get chance one by one, and
Interesting.
whosoever will win the highest will be our today's winner. Or we can do like you have got this much, you have got this much.
We will get money or not? Tell that.
No.
Arey, Prashal will get money. Don't worry about that.
The questions are very easy.
The one who wins should be given treat.
Yes.
Winner will get.
No. Today she will give everyone.
Okay, now I'm sharing the screen. Who will be the first? Tell me that sequence.
You select.
Huh?
You select.
First one, Prashal. क्योंकि आज बर्थडे है.
Yes, because it's her birthday today.
Yes. Okay. And rest of the please you mute your mic.
Okay.
Akansha, you have put Saraswati's Bhavan DP.
Huh?
Nothing.
यार मेरी स्क्रीन ही शो नहीं हो रही है. दिख रही है तुम्हें स्क्रीन? Is my screen visible?
Yes.
Hello?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Beach wallpaper.
Okay. Now I am starting the game. Okay.
Hey, you have used app. Okay. Which holiday? Valentine's Day. But it is not any holiday. Memorial Day भी होता है क्या? I don't know. Valentine's Day. No. Memorial Day. What are you doing, Akansha?
एक मिनट यार बस आवाज नहीं आ रही. Hello.
Yes, you
Hello.
are audible.
Is the screen visible?
Yes.
Hang कर रहा है. What holiday is celebrated on February 14? You have
February
to choose.
14 is Valentine's Day, but there is no holiday of it. So Memorial Day.
I don't know. It is a app which make quiz itself.
Oh my God, what's that?
Yeah,
I also seen the app.
These are the 4 lifelines, and these are the options. Which one you want to select?
Please help me that audience phone one.
Do 50.
है Valentine's Day is a holiday?
मुझे लगा ऑडियंस हम होंगे.
मुझे भी यही लगा था.
Yeah, I thought that.
अरे वैलेंटाइंस डे ही तो होता है यार. छुट्टी होती है उस दिन. यार हॉलीडे क्या हुई वो? मैं तो सोचती थी किसी का इंडिपेंडेंस डे होता होगा कोई कंट्री का.
वही तो that is why I used
पाकिस्तान
this.
का होता है. पाकिस्तान का.
नहीं 15 अगस्त होता है.
नहीं 14 अगस्त होता है. 14 अगस्त.
अच्छा 14 अगस्त. हाँ 14 अगस्त होता है उनका. हाँ.
This was a totally फालतू question. Who gives holiday on Valentine's? Okay, so this one is I think horse because frozen is something horse that is from virus.
Virus. Yeah. अच्छा ये प्राशल का क्वेश्चन है. Sorry.
Yes, love B option.
With the Trojan War.
Please lock second option. Amitabh Bachchan.
Okay.
like Amitabh.
Yay! Correct.
Now I am. I didn't top season. Option number 8. Hey Akansha, act like Amitabh Bachchan. ताला लगा दिया जाए. स्पेन की एक चीज मेरे को पता है. स्पेन की मैड्रिड है.
What is the capital of Spain?
Madrid, I know.
Okay, lock किया जाए.
Yes, this one is Portugal, Barcelona, I don't know, and Madrid.
Roman number with the letter O.
0 ही होएगा फिर.
0.
B, option number B.
किया जाए.
Yes. अरे B, 215 है B.
अरे ए होता है, 0 का कोई मीनिंग नहीं होता न्यूमरल्स में.
Prashal, you have won 3,000. I don't know.
Wow, Prashal, congratulations.
Congratulations and
Congratulations, party.
Congratulations, now give us party.
Just send us 500 rupees each.
Okay.
Okay, I'm waiting.
Why there is no Roman number for 0? I didn't know.
हाँ, 0 में नहीं होता.
There is no
Roman number 0 में नहीं होता.
अच्छा हाँ.
Okay, Akansha,
Who is the next one?
Prashal, take screenshot of this.
Who want to play next?
Prashal will tell.
I want to play.
So,
Okay.
wait, do fastest finger first. बोला.
इतना भी एडवांस्ड ऐप नहीं है इसका.
I will ask you a question and whoever will be the first one to answer me will be the winner, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. Do it fast.
Okay.
So, who is the Home Minister of India?
नहीं पता मुझे.
Amit Shah. I said first.
I said first. Yeah,
Play. Neha
said
will.
first.
I'm so talented.
Neha said first.
Yes.
Yeah, Neha.
Okay, Neha, I'm starting.
Yes.
गुजरात है ये.
Eye patch.
Pirate,
I think gladiator.
gladiators, knight.
I got a tough question at first.
And I answered it.
Are assistant.
Which
ऐसा होगा तो मैं तो 0 रुपए ले जीत के जाऊंगी. No, we are having 4 helplines ना. I will use all.
I think I will use audience poll. I don't want to get 0 rupees.
Gladiator sounds nice.
Yes. Well, I think gladiator. Okay, pirates. Yes, I will go with the audience. According to superstition,
what do you get if you break a mirror? Bad weather, 7 years, 7 year good luck.
if something bad happens, this I know, but what we get, I don't know.
You must have copied from somewhere.
You can use
No, wait, I'll think for this.
according to superstition. What do you get if you break a mirror?
According to superstition, what do you get if you break the mirror? question is very tough.
You can use lifeline.
I will use a lifeline. Which one?
Minus 2 is 50-50. Two options will be removed. Then this is expert advice. Einstein will give you answer. And the third one is to flip the question.
I'll take -2. Seven years bad luck.
Computer भी बात करो.
Yeah.
I have used 2 lifeline, 2 questions.
Which birds make a hoot sound?
Hoot.
Owl, pigeon, woodpecker.
Woodpecker तो करती है. Mockingbird. Penguins. Hoot sound. Which word make hoot sound? Woodpecker usually and penguin. I don't know what penguin sound.
You know what owl sounds? I was also thinking that.
I think na hoot, owl means I don't know what penguin and woodpecker don't sound. Penguin का तो कभी सुना नहीं. Owl. Choose the option A.
Okay.
Neha, you are not getting real money, by the way.
Yeah, that's why. Yo, my luck. That was a tukka.
Gem.
That was a tukka.
Ronaldo are character in Shakespeare play.
Oh my God, they are so hard.
Ronaldo are characters in
what? Hamlet and sounds जाने पहचाने.
Macbeth, Hamlet, Othello.
Macbeth.
I haven't heard any of these plays.
Then what to flip the question?
Please flip the question for me. I will use all the lifeline. If you
are born on site, what sign are you?
I am not a, what we say, Panditji.
Astrologer.
Astrologer, yeah. I am not a May 5. Anyone in my family is of me? No.
Pisces is sorry.
Yeah, these are more difficult than KBC. If I was born on May 5. May 5 को something कुछ होता है, Environment Day. Yeah. I remember the days and all. But Gemini, Taurus, can I make a tukka? Means can I get?
5 जून को होता है, 5 मई को होता है.
5 मई को भी कुछ होता है. 5
होता है लेबर्स डे. फर्स्ट मई.
अरे क्या होता है वो 21 वृष राशि.
वृष राशि इंग्लिश में क्या होती है? लिब्रा.
टॉरस तो ऑप्शन नहीं है. पाइसेस भी नहीं है.
So Libra.
लिब्रा हो सकता है.
Yeah, Libra. I'll go with Libra.
गलत होगा, मेरे से कुछ मत देना.
No, actually, those newspapers say astrology works according to this one, and our astrology, zodiac signs are based on names.
Yes.
No, as per names and as per the birth month also.
Yeah, and that born timings and all.
but mostly
Yeah.
Indians use
We
this.
are not astrologers, so we don't know.
So we will just
Libra
guess.
या Gemini.
We just
You
know
got
by the names.
Okay, B1.
21 Libra है answer.
Yeah, Libra. I will choose Libra. Stop.
डाउनलोड फेल हो रहा
गलत है,
Oh my
ये
God.
गलत है.
देख
21 मार्च से लेके 21 अप्रैल तक होता है टॉरस, इतना तो मुझे पता है.
No, Vartika, it's not like that.
हाँ तो डेट से उससे ही तो होता है. 21 मार्च.
No. Vartika, ऐसा नहीं होता.
This is wrong.
From 4 March, I am Scorpion. But my relative is not Scorpion. He's some.
हाँ तो हमारे उसमें तो उससे चलते हैं.
अरे तो हमारे
नाम
वो तो कहीं और के थोड़ी ना है.
हम नाम से चलते हैं. 9 वाले स्कॉर्पियन होते होंगे तेरे उसमें.
वही तो
तो राशि तो वैसे भी उससे निकालते हैं ना, डेट ऑफ बर्थ और टाइमिंग्स वगैरह के.
नहीं, नाम से निकालते हैं, नाम से.
निकाल दोगे क्या? कितने
अरे
पैसे
पहले
जीतने हैं?
नामकरण करते हैं उससे, तभी तो 9 से रखो, राशि के हिसाब से होता है वो.
हाँ तो नाम से निकालते हैं और ये लोग डेट ऑफ बर्थ से.
Next is Vartika, okay?
ओके.
I'm starting the game.
मुझे तो कुछ भी नहीं आएगा.
You do fast, then it will
Okay.
take more. Okay?
4 लाइफलाइन यूज
I think
करेंगे.
I'll be unable to join that GD.
Which of these insects is also a sport played in England?
No.
Which of these insects?
क्रिकेट ही तो होता है स्पोर्ट. आई डोंट नो. 0 नहीं जीतना चाहती.
Which of these insects?
लोकस्ट. B.
Insect also.
B. I
चल,
think.
I am using audience poll.
Very good.
I think locust.
I think that mosquito.
Okay.
I think
I think locust or B.
Yeah, locust.
नहीं, audience.
Okay.
Cricket is the national game of England.
क्रिकेट कौन?
Yeah,
क्रिकेट
cricket.
कौन सी इंसेक्ट होती है?
क्रिकेट होता है.
What should you judge a book by? Its cover.
What should not judge a book by?
Its cover. I know this
cover.
one.
Yeah, don't judge a book by its cover.
Which gas acts as a shield against the sun's ultraviolet radiation? Ozone.
Ozone.
Yes.
Yes, ozone.
What? Yes, log ozone.
Yeah, so easy
So
questions.
easy
I was
question.
tough questions.
Oh.
Which term
Which term
describes a website in which
Website. Blog. नहीं, रुक जा. Which terms describes a website in which journal entries are posted on a regular basis?
portal
है. पोर्टल या ब्लॉग भी नहीं होगा, पता नहीं.
portal.
यूज दिस सेकंड वन ऑप्शन. पता नहीं क्या है ये. सेकंड वन.
expert advice.
Expert
It
advice.
is looking like Joker's advice.
Yeah. I think portal will be the answer.
Some personality will come.
Vartika, which option?
Second one, lifeline, expert advice.
Okay. Expert advice.
Blog.
See, वो देख तो, look at the expert.
He's literally looking like a joker.
Okay, will you go with the expert?
Yes, I will.
He's Einstein.
Yeah, he's looking like Einstein. Blog. Very good, Vartika. Yeah.
The only
The
insect
only insect that can turn its head 360 degree.
Ladybug. I think so. Mantis.
I want to flip the question. Flip the question.
Vartika is
the question.
all the what is all the helplines.
Which capital city would you find Trafalgar Square? Trafalgar Square. Okay, then
England.
use the first lifeline.
Very good. New York.
I'll go for New York.
Very good.
Okay, I'm locking it. This place.
Oh.
Oh.
Everybody is winning 3,000 rupees.
Yeah, everyone is winning.
You have been
Equal to Prashal. Okay, now
But
it's
I also want 3,000 only. I haven't.
But I use
2,000.
one lifeline.
you want 2,000.
Oh, I want less.
Who will play next?
Parky.
Okay.
No, I'll
Park-
play in last. I'll play in last.
I want to play.
Yeah, because he
Oh.
wanted to be a crorepati.
Sugandha, are you ready?
Nice.
Yes. Which condition is caused by the
Caused by lack of insulin produced by pancreas.
diabetes?
Lock करें. Next question. At what event would you most likely see a float?
Float? What is float?
At which event would you?
Photo, that.
Most-
Con, what,
परेड में ही होता होगा ऐसा कुछ.
concert or parade.
Okay, I will use helpline of audience vote.
Everyone is taking helpline. Audience.
It is lifeline, not helpline.
Okay, lifeline. Parade only.
Parade.
Will you go audience? Okay, I'm selecting.
What is float?
Someone please search तब तक.
How many years are there in a millennium?
Millennium. How many years?
How many years?
Years are in millennium.
I know this one.
1K is equal to 10,000.
Yes.
I also know.
Sugandha, 8 10,000.
C, I will go C. Option C.
Okay, I'm locking.
जी सच में मुझको भी नहीं पता था.
Shit. I can use lifeline.
Why you're not using a lifeline?
Yeah, you should use that.
It usually happens same in Karodpati also. People don't use lifeline.
Okay,
Now,
let's.
Parky.
It's my turn.
Now it's
I want to finish that game fast. Na, we have to also do debate also.
Don't give excuses, Sugandha.
Yeah. Now don't give excuse.
That's why I didn't use lifeline.
Okay, my turn. Maybe reds are going.
Parky time. Okay, Parky.
Screen is not visible. Okay, I'm ready, but screen is not visible right now.
Float is some kind of jhankiyan that is carried across on trucks and other things.
Should I share again?
Your screen is visible to me.
मेरे को भी.
It is not visible to me.
यार मैंने तो शेयर किया हुआ है. फिर से कर रही हूँ.
हाँ, screen is visible.
I think you should also play.
It is very easy.
Dog.
Visible.
Man.
Dog.
Okay.
Dog.
Option dog. Lock किया जाए. Which of the following animal is not a rodent?
Rodent. What is the meaning of rodent?
I don't
I
know.
don't know. Audience poll.
A small type of insect such as rat, rabbits, mouse is rodent. Okay.
Chipmunk.
Okay,
Gecko.
will you go with audience?
Monks are those squirrels type.
Like squirrel are also rodents.
Yeah,
And mouse
rat,
also.
rabbit, mouse. Mouse is also a rodent. So this question is not
Ah,
Questions are
we
right.
have heard it.
Now
We
let's
have learned in biology.
At what sporting event might you witness a slam dunk? I don't know.
At night, what if might you witness a slam? Expert advice.
Expert जी आपकी help करिए.
Slam dunk is a Japanese game.
Looks like the answer is C.
Basketball is also, yeah.
Will you go with the expert?
Yeah. Yeah, I'll go with expert.
Expert is too talented.
Who wrote word Lord of the Rings?
Lord of Rings.
Lord of Rings.
Lord of Rings.
Lord of Rings.
Flip the question, please.
Flip.
Yes.
Dostoevsky.
What is the symbol for iron?
Fe.
C. Okay,
F.
options. ये 5000 के लिए क्वेश्चन है. Which country was first into space? China, USSR, USA or UK?
Into space. Which country was the first into space? या UK या USA में से एक है.
No.
अब कौन सा? -2.
Okay. -2.
UK.
Lock.
I think
D.
USSR.
Should I lock it?
Shut up,
D for dog.
Nehanoni.
Yeah, don't tell.
USSR is the right
USSR is a
answer.
Soviet country. Soviet was the first.
USSR is the
We
first
also know this one.
USSR is which country?
Russia.
Soviet.
Okay. Everybody won the 3,000 rupees.
Prashal.
Yeah.
Now,
I won 2,000 and Sugandha 1,000. I will stop recording.
Yes. Prashal and